All right, Space and Pirates Week 2 assignment tutorial. Here I am at ClassLink again. This is the start of every place. We're getting really used to it. You press sign in as Google as a student. I don't because I'm a teacher. Right, so I log in that way. You press sign in with Google. Don't ever forget that. Here we are. First place to open. Go to your Google Suite. Click on Google Classroom. Click on ours, the Mrs. Dyer's 4th grade. All right, go to classwork. First couple things I want to show you in the overview, remote learning overview documents. First of all, our new Zoom schedule, right? Every day it's at 11 now. We already talked about the Pirates unit overview and the Space unit overview, but I've now also included websites for you to do extra research if you're doing Space. Here are a bunch of different websites to go to learn more about space. These are kind of like to help you get started on extra research when you do your tic-tac-toe projects. And then same thing for Pirates. You click on it, and then here's a couple different websites to get you started on reading more about explorers, treasure seekers, pirates, things like that, and famous treasure-seeking expeditions. All right? But first, let's click on weekly assignment. Here it is, week 2, Space and Pirates week 2 checklist. Let's open that. This is going to be the start of everything for us. Let's go through it one at a time. Reach reading. Look at the unit checklist week 2 and do the question sheet. Not comprehension coach this week. It's either make a treasure map or building for space travel. So here's where we go. Back to ClassLink. Close it. MyNG Connect, that's where we find all of our reading. We've been getting good at that. Signing in, ClassLink should do it normal. You click somewhere where it says My Books. It's a little bit different on my view, but you will click on our book. You'll click on our book again. We do not click Comprehension Coach this time. This time, because we have a question sheet, we need to look at where we're going to start. So I'm going to look in our table of contents. Let's see, we're doing Unit 6 or Unit 7. 5. Unit 6. Here's our Pirates one, Treasure Hunters. Make a treasure map. That's on page 381. Okay? And then here we are for Space. Building for space travel is what you're going to read for Space, page 447. So what you're going to do, click up here. If you are doing Pirates, 381. Boom, make a treasure map. What's really fun is this one, you get to read. It's a how-to, right? It's a genre of instructions. So you get to read about how to make a pirate or a treasure map, and you can actually do it. It's a really quick read. And then 447 is for my space people, building for space travel. This is a science report that gives facts. All right, you're going to read all about how they build a rocket ship, how they build it so that they can go to space. Again, a quick read. So you do your reading on there. When you are done reading, you come back to Google Classroom. Click on reading. If you are doing the Pirates one, it's grayed out right now because it's scheduled for later, but you will click on this one for our Pirates. How do you make a treasure map? Answer in a complete sentence. Give some text evidence. Explain how your evidence proves your answer. And then in what order do you use the materials when making a map? Just 2 questions, all right? If you're doing Space, here it is, right? Building for space travel. After you read, answer in a complete question, have text evidence, and then explain how that proves your answer. All right, let's go back to our checklist. Notes with Mrs. Dyer. We have a theme video and a division video. So come and click on videos, Notes with Mrs. Dyer. Here's the one on theme to watch, 7 minutes. Here's the one on division using partial quotients to watch. You can watch other division videos as well, but this was the one that I chose. Our focus this week will be division. All right, let's look next. Tic-tac-toe menu project. Same tic-tac-toe menu as last week. Pick a different one. So a lot of you did the build this week or the create this week. So now you have to pick something else, either in the diagonal, the row, or the column of the same one you already did, right? So that even though, or you can do all four corners if you like. If you did an explanatory, now you can do an opinion if you want, or compare or create. I know we're only doing 3 weeks, but you still have to keep as if you're going to make a tic-tac-toe. So if you did build, you either have to do it in the same column or the same row. If you did explanatory, you can do same row, same column, or on the diagonal. All right, so those are your choices. Look, remember it says you will have to do extra computer research to know more about the topic. All right, which means, again, use those websites that I posted to help you do extra research. All right, back to our checklist. Small group reading, if you can find ebook access, look under, it should say week 2 for the titles for this week. Then you have Lexia, right? Back to ClassLink, Lexia. Then you have Dreambox, 20 minutes a day. So Dreambox for your math. This week our focus is on division. Science, mystery science lesson, and a Generation Genius. So come here to science. I posted the mystery science one and the Generation Genius one. When you click into it, it has videos to watch and has all the materials you need if you can and want to do the activity. You might not have the materials though, and that's okay. All right. And last but not least, social studies. All right, click here on social studies. Here's the 2 weeks that you need to read, 28 and 29. I will post the Kahoots on Thursday. That takes you through the whole checklist of assignments and where to find everything. Watch this video again and again and again to make sure you know where to get everything that you need. And feel free to reach out if you have